poles. Those things are big. And I was looking at on the right what those were from far away. I don't know if the camera picked it up. This is Rich Noto, Realtor, Home Inspector and Notary. Right now we're over at Hickory Grove. I just want to give you a little showing of this area, a little drive around. It's a Taylor Morrison Community. And this section over here is not very big, so it's going to be a short video. So please do check out my website at wintergardennew.com. You can always find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each page.